Today I'm gonna prepare the ghriba. Is the Moroccan sweet. It's so delicious. Let's begin. We need 4 cups of oil. You can use 2 cups of melted butter and 2 cups of oil if you wanna the ghriba so soft. We need 2 tablespoons of anise, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and pinch of salt, 200 gram sugar, and 1 cup of sesame seeds, toasted sesame seeds, and 700 of flour, white flour. Maybe I can add or this. Now I put the sugar, then I add the oil, the sesame, and the rest of the spices. Mix everything together. Little by little add flour. I need to add more flour. We use here 1 kilo and 200 gram of flour. This is how it should be. You can use just half of these amounts if you want just to try it and you want just a little. Now sprinkle some flour in this tray baking and take a little of the dough, make small balls with the palm of your hand, behind the palm of your hand, like this. I make another one. So we put the ghriba in the baking tray and we left some space between them so they didn't stick when they bake. We put it on top first to make some crack. We bake it on 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit. Our ghriba is ready. This is how it looks. It has some cracks. You should let it completely cool before you remove it. This is our ghriba. It's so delicious and so soft. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe. Don't hesitate to try it. It's so delicious.